This is your first look at the Samsung S25 series before the release. The Unpacked event is in fact very close. It's set for January 22nd. In this video, I'll tell you everything we know about the upcoming devices, and we're going to cover their design. Let's get into it. This is the first ever real-life leak of the S25 Ultra. We can see how the corners are more rounded than before, and the edges are more squared off, making the overall design even boxier. These renders by iDesigner give us a better idea on how the Ultra will look like. It still maintains the core design of the Ultra series, but the upgrades under the hood are pretty significant. Starting from the new chip, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, confirmed to be an incredible chipset performance-wise, but also in terms of efficiency, as it has been already tested in phones like the Red Magic 10 Pro. In addition to that, the S25 Ultra will come with 16 gigs of RAM in all configurations. The cameras won't see major upgrades. The only significant improvement will be the APV codec for video recording, comparable to Apple's ProRes format. It would allow lossless video recording while reducing the dimension of the file by 20% and integration with post-production softwares. Moving on to the standard S25 models. They won't unfortunately see major upgrades. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip would be the big highlight, along with satellite connectivity, which is coming to all models this year. One UI 7 will also be one of the main new features, along with a renewed version of Bixby. But this year, the phones will not be 3, but 4 instead. That's because there will be a new variant, the S25 Slim, a thinner and lighter version, made to compete with the upcoming iPhone 17 Air. But we will cover that one in another video, so drop a like and subscribe to be updated on all the future leaks. As always, all the sources of the leaked information are in the description.